What the frick is up, YouTube Swarm? Today, I was showing how to get SAT scores like that on SAT math section. Mic drop. Let's cut to the chase. Let's take a moment and understand what it means to take the SAT math section. Majority of it will be algebraic. So that's linear functions, solving for system equations, and solving for x, which is easy. It's one-step problems. Advanced math is where it gets a little tricky. You're still solving for x and solving system equations, but with quadratics and exponents. So there's some spice on it. And for linear functions, it's not linear functions. Problem solving and data analysis, it's word problems. If you can read it good, it's like logic. But then geometry and trigonometry. You're screwed. Psych, I lied. You do get this amazing reference sheet, so please use it. There's no reason why you should miss any points on geometry when you have a reference sheet right in front of you. The question bank I'll be using is oneprep.xyz. It is the best SAT question practice bank in the whole freaking world. Let me show you. It's free. You get to choose your difficulty. For this case, we're going to do max difficulty. On the SAT, you have roughly a minute to do a question. That's like scrolling on TikTok.
Bruh.
Not that much time, so you have to be locked in. With that being said, let's start. I'll be doing one of each genre on max difficulty, only using DESMOS, so you can see what I do. Let's get started. In the equation above, C and D are constants, and C is greater than 0. If the equation has infinite many solutions, what is the value of C? So looking at this is a system equation. I'm going to set this equal to. But the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set f of x to this side, and I'm going to say g of x to this. I could put g of x to this. I'm just defining this of x so then I can type it better. So f of x equals 48x over 8 plus 144 minus c over 15. And then I'm just going to put g of x, because that's my second favorite, chill, equals -2. And it's asking us to define this right now, but we're not. This is the magic. Oh, okay. You have to put superscript 1. So like if x was 1 on this side, x would be 1 on this side. I basically said x, these two x's equal. And then this is what I'm about to write. I'm going to say f of x1, this equation, is equivalent to this equation, g of x1. So I basically just said, whoa, I gotta put one here. Yeah, okay. I basically said this is equal to this, but in fancy terms. And then it's defining x as 1 right now, but x1 could be infinity numbers. So it's going to be, I could put negative 100, 3 dots means every number between it, negative 100 to 100. And it gives me the answers. Okay. That's why this is the answer. I hope that makes a little bit of sense. Now on to the next question, advanced math. Oh, I see 2 equations, system equations. You instantly want to go type into the calculator. And if I would want to practice something, I would want to practice typing fast, because if you could type this thing in like half a second, holy cow, you'd be going fast. So let me add a slide for K. And it basically wants me, oh, I didn't read the question, I just typed it in. It said, the given system of equation has no real solution, so it should not touch. If K is a constant, which of the following could be a possibility for K? So let's say if K is equal to 10, they touch twice, so that can't be 10. If it's 15, it touches twice again. If it's 18, I'm guessing it only touches 1 time. Yeah. And then if it's 20, it touches at all. So it'd have to be 20. And that's advanced math, by the way. On to the next one. Problem solving and data analysis. Gotta move my webcam. Uh, in a survey regarding digital media consumption, 1,250 randomly selected U.S. adults were asked about their video streaming and subscription type, video streaming frequency and subscription type. The data are summarized in the table above. Based on the data from the study, an estimate of the percent of adults who are classified as high frequency streamers is 42%. The associated margin of error is 4%. Which of the following is a correct statement based on a given margin of error? Before I even look at the question, it's like vocab. Margin of error means like high could be 4%, low could be 4%. So it's really a 8% difference. Like if I say 50 people failed, 54 could have failed or 56 could have failed. So it's really 8%. So now knowing that, let's see which kind of says that, or like which one. Approximately 4, no, because 4%. Could be actually. It's not okay. If you see something that says it's not, most likely not the answer. It's not. No, it is possible. It's very unlikely though. The percent of the adults who are a high frequency streamer is exactly. It's not exactly. It could be exactly. Well, I don't like exactly. There's a chance. I don't want to say is. It says is. It's not. It's not an is. It could. It's a could. Streamer could exactly be. Okay, I don't say that one. It's doubtful that it's 30. Damn. This is a nice one. But based on, I'm going with my gut because if you see something that says not possible exactly, and I know approximately 4% is wrong, so this is the only one that I feel that could be right. Well, okay. Next one. Whoa, that was not the middle finger. It looks crazy. I did one already. A right square prism has. The circle. Yo, you saw something. The TikTok was like this, and then you put 1, 1, 1, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that's like the light coming out from the prism. Sir Isaac Newton basically found that. So I know the volume. So I know the equation is that equals v squared and then x. Or no, the length. So no, the length squared times height. Okay, the length squared times height. So what I'm gonna do is just 500 divided by 24 to get like divided by 500 equals 24. You can just do 24x, and x is the other thing, which is that. So and then I'm sorry, this is not gonna make no sense. 2. 15. Okay. That's not the answer. Wait, is it? Because look, 15 squared times x, which would be 24. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry guys. I'm only a good algebra and advanced math teacher. Don't ask me about these other ones. Thank you guys for sticking around. I will be doing free tutoring for this week. So I'm going to make my Discord server and leave it in the description. So just message me and I'll just show me what you need help with and I'll show you how to use DESMOS with it. But yeah, this is my first YouTube channel. I'll be posting more in the future. So without further ado, stay safe.